Well, my little rain go away chant did not work. And there's my blackberry pot full of water. That's a lot of rain. That's a lot of rain. But maybe it will go away later, please. If I say it nicely. So, I'm gonna transplant my blackberry bush into this pot I got at Walmart for $20. I got some container mix and some organic container mix. I'm gonna mix it up. It's a messy job, but somebody's got to do it. All right. Dirt in there. Oh, heavy. Alright. And now our Navaho thornless blackberry bush is planted in a big pot so it can get big. Thanks, guys. Finally got it done. Even though it's been raining all day. I just realized that you couldn't see it. So here it is in the pot. The bush should get a lot bigger now. I'm so happy that I was able to get a blackberry bush, and I hope that it does well in this spot. It's loved this spot that I've had it in. It's actually on top of my table where I feed my kitty. But yeah, I hope it does well and likes the dirt that I put it in and just goes berserk. I got my ginger plant. It's popping up there. Yeah, very proud of this. I've waited all day to be able to do it. It's rained all day just about. But finally, it's done. To show you this, it is sunny, very sunny, but in Elmore County, they have hail falling, and it's heading this way. I hope tomorrow's beautiful. I really do. I'm tired of the rain. I'm fed up.